Hey everybody, here we are on the Hatteras 75 motor yacht. We're going to start the little tour. So as we move up into the cockpit area, you got teak stairs, teak flooring all throughout. Very large dining room area, so for outside dining, plenty of seating, plenty of space up there. You've got the fridge over on the side over here, and you've got a stairway, which is actually an option on this boat to go down into the engine room. Here we are going down the gunnel of the port side, and you'll notice that all the windows all the way around are all the big, large, seamless windows. Very, very large viewing. A lot of sunlight for the inside of the boat. Very bright. And as we move down, you've got handrails as we go. Got a boarding door right here. And here we are up in the bow area. It's very, very nice. You can do a lot of different things up here. You can put a sunshade out here, but probably 5 to 6 people comfortably in the lounging area here. Stereo speakers, remote control here, extra seating on the sides, storage under both of them for fenders and lines and that sort of thing. So it's a very recessed style anchor on the bow, which is not in the way. A lot of them are larger, so this is very low profile. So a nice feature here. As we come down the starboard side, you've got a heavy-duty door for getting from the helm right on outside. So we can show you a little bit further on the inside, but nicely done here. We're ready to move into the salon. We're going to start with a very nice door entry here. It's a little button. You just push it there. It's automatic. It also has a safety feature, so if you're going through and you're in the middle, it will not close on you till you get 3 feet past the door. So nice, really beautiful door. So you'll notice, very wide open salon. We do have the TV up. It has an inlaid box for the TV to be recessed into. It's beautiful, and you'll also notice the one level flooring from the out in the cockpit area all the way through to the dining area. It's one level, so it's no trip hazards, and you've got plenty of room over here. You've got a very comfortable leather couch, L-shaped. Again, this is the look of the big windows from the inside. Nice day heads for convenient for everybody on the, including the cockpit area. And then as we move into this area here, beautiful dining area. It's got the round skylight up above your head. It's one piece, seamless all the way across, curved. And at night, this lights up absolutely beautifully in here. So, large dining area. There is a couple of features. I just want to show one here. I like it because it's a great place to keep. They have 2 of these to keep all your glasses and your dishes, and it's not taking up the cabinet space. So we've got 2 of them here. Great out of the way storage area. Then in the galley, we've got deep stainless steel sink, 4-burner with fan, and you've got two freezers and 2 fridges. So, and then also here we've got the dishwasher. So a lot of boats do not have this, so that's a very nice feature here. As we move down to the staterooms, the stairway is absolutely gorgeous. And into the master, gorgeous full beam master. It's got a full king size bed, which is a lot of the boats don't have the large king, which this does have. You also have a large cedar lined walk-in closet with a remote control and also the safe. So as far as drawer space, plenty of drawer space over here, down here as well. And then as we move over here, we've got for the ladies, we have a makeup area. So great place for the ladies to get ready to go out. And then the large head, which will gives you more than enough room in there. Large shower. It's absolutely stunning. And with the flat screen TV, good size for in here. Works great. It's out of the way. And let's move on to the next stateroom. So here we have a double bed, very comfortable for a couple, very spacious, very bright. Just a nice second stateroom for another couple on the boat, with full closet here, and then an entryway into the second head, which is a day head. You've got the full-size shower with a seat, which is very comfortable, very large. So nicely, the styling is just beautiful. And to the VIP, you know, it's as nice as any master on any boat. Good sized bed, plenty of headroom, which people are looking for more. A lot of times the headroom you only get a couple of feet, so not comfortable there, but plenty of headroom here. Closets on both sides. TV is right here, up and out of the way. Good spot for that. And then your entrance into the VIP head. So large shower, again with the seat. Styling is beautiful, plenty of room. So we do have one other feature here that we walked by. I just want to show you real quick. And this is a washer dryer combo. So a lot of them have just the single unit that does both. They don't really work all that great. This has the separate washer and dryer, works phenomenal. As we move up into the bridge, you're going to notice it's very large, spacious, enclosed bridge. For inclement weather, nothing's better than driving it up here. You get your visibility. We have the one-piece windshield, curved windshield, no blockage of any views there. So the one-piece curved is just a beautiful addition to the new boat. And then in here we've got large. The captain always likes to have some company, so we've got a large sitting area in here, which you can put up half a dozen people. And then up top we've got basically a galley up here, refrigerator, ice maker. And then plenty of storage on both. So a lot of room, and then flat screen TV, this pops up, so it rounds it off nice. And we're gonna head over to the Helm area, and we're gonna meet Chris from Hatteras, and he'll be happy to just give you a quick tour of the Helm station.
Hey guys, up here you got your main control station. There's your large helm wheel. You got two 19-inch Garmin screens up here, so you can do your plotter, your autopilot, radar, sounder. We've got cameras all over the boat, so you can see who gets on and off the boat. All your engine controls, ABT track stabilizers, Hatteras alarm systems. Over here I can monitor tanks, engine information, power on the boat, any alarms. Everything goes right through here.
Okay, we're going to move out to the outside area of the Helm, and you'll notice we have a very large seating area. You can have this for just seating up here. This particular boat is set up with chocks for the tender, with the davit system over here, so you can put a very large tender up here, no problem. And then you've got a grilling station here. Two of the Kenyans, top of the line grills. We love them. Storage underneath, and then you've got some seating also here with a table, and then you have a yacht controller right here. So when I'm docking the boat, I can just stand like this, and I can dock the boat. I can see the platform in the back, and I can see the bow. So very nice feature. Let's go down to the engine room.
As Chris again with Hatteras, we're going to check out the engine room on the 75. We're going to go inside. We've got two C32 A-certs, 1800 horsepower. You've got your electrical panels, your breakers, switching panels, AC controls, all the fun stuff you need down here. Plenty of room, it's open, storage over the engines.
Let's take a look at the cruise quarters. Phenomenal cruise quarters, you'll see why. You've got a mate bunk in here, but a nice private full-size bunk for the mate. And then we have a full head walk-in shower. Plenty of room in here as well for the mate and the captain. And then as we finish up on the port side, we've got the captain's double bed, Plenty of room in here for the captain. The captains that are using this now love it. They have their privacy and comfort as well. So there you have it. If you hope you enjoyed the tour for the 75 motor yacht. If you did and you have any more questions about it, please contact your local MarineMax. We'll be happy to help you.